All right, let's get right into it. Mr. Ape is in the house, and today we're talking about how to build some seriously powerful legs. Yeah, we're turning those twigs into tree trunks. And this right here, this is your official guide.
So let me ask you something. Does a monkey have legs like thin twigs? No way, come on. If you're skipping leg day, you're gonna fall right over when the jungle wind blows too hard. We are here to fix that, and we're starting right now.
The problem is pretty simple, actually. Way too many of us have become what I call modern monkeys, and it is time to solve that problem. So let's break down exactly what's gone wrong.
Just look at the difference here. It's crazy. You've got the modern monkey sitting in a chair all day, legs getting all soft like overripe bananas. But then you've got the primal ape. He's out there running, jumping, climbing. His legs? They're like tree trunks, standing firm like a giant oak. That is our goal.
So, how in the world do we make that transformation happen? Well, we start with the foundation. Let me introduce you to the two undisputed kings of leg day.
First up, king number 1, the barbell squat. And listen, don't just think of this as some leg exercise. Oh no, this is the king of all movements. It's this massive compound lift that literally forces muscles all over your body to grow, all at once.
Okay, so here's your prescription. You're going to aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now, the most important part here, and I mean this, is depth. You got to get your butt almost down to the jungle floor to get that maximum stretch. And hey, listen up. If you feel a little unstable, there's absolutely no shame in this. Use the Smith machine. It's going to help you push to failure safely, and having a stable base means less cheating and way more growing. Simple as that.
All right, now let's meet our second king. This is the ultimate power move for any true king of the jungle. The deadlift. This exercise is all about raw, untamed strength. The plan here is super simple. 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. You are just pulling heavy iron straight up from the ground. But this one move, it does something absolutely incredible inside your body.
So what's happening is something called vessel dilation. See, when you pull that heavy weight, your heart starts pumping harder, and the blood vessels in your legs, I want you to think of them as your jungle water pipes, they stretch wide open. This just floods your muscles with fuel, and over time, it makes those pipes thick and flexible. That's how you build real raw power.
Okay, so you've got the right exercises. Great. But how do you make sure they keep on working week after week after week? Well, to do that, you need to understand the single most important rule of the jungle gym.
It's called progressive overload, and this is the literal signal you send to your body telling it, hey, it's time to grow. You have to consistently make your lifts more challenging. If you don't do this, you will stay a small monkey forever. I'm serious.
And look how simple this is. When a lift starts to feel a little easy, don't just stop there. Your goal is to add 1 or 2 more reps next week. Then, once you can comfortably hit more than 12 reps, bam, it's time to add more weight to the bar. That's it. That is the law. It's not complicated.
But you need to listen to me very closely here, because this is a serious warning. You see, silly monkeys who live with their ego, the ones who try to lift way too much way too soon, their tendons are gonna snap like Lego. Don't be that monkey.
And this is exactly why you must focus on your form. Keep those reps slow and clean. Try counting to 3 on the way down and then just explode up with a powerful push. Remember, bad form is going to make this monkey very, very sad.
Okay, so we've got the lifts and we've got the law. Now we need to talk about the system that supports all this growth. I mean, you can't build a strong house on a weak foundation, right?
So if you want to turn those twigs into trunks, I need you to remember this number, 1 gram. 1 gram of protein for every single pound of your body weight. This is non-negotiable. It's the fuel for your muscles.
And where are you gonna get it? Simple. Primal ape foods. We're talking eggs, chicken breast, Greek yogurt. Just keep it clean. Keep it simple.
All right, now for the forge. This is where the real magic happens, folks. Your goal every single night is 8 to 9 hours of sleep. Do not ever, ever skip your recovery.
Your recovery cave has to be perfect, okay? It's got to be cool, it's got to be completely blacked out, and absolutely no phone before bed. Your legs grow when you sleep, not when you lift. Remember that.
Okay, we've covered the kings, the law, and the whole system. So let's put it all together into one simple blueprint. This is the final path to those tree trunk legs.
This is it. This is your screenshot moment, so get ready to save this. Number 1, the lifts, squats, and deadlifts. Number 2, the law, progressive overload. Number 3, the form, slow and clean, absolutely no ego. Number 4, the fuel, 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And finally, number 5, the forge, 8 to 9 hours of quality sleep. That's it. That's the entire plan right there on your screen.
So, I'm going to leave you with a final question. Are you going to stay a slave to the screen, a gamer monkey with legs like twigs? Or are you going to hit the jungle gym and build legs that are straight up bananas? The choice is yours. Now go lift.